Namaste, children. I hope you all are eating healthy food and being safe and healthy at home. Children, do you like traveling? Yes, everyone like traveling, isn't it? During weekend, holidays, vacation, where do you go? You may go to your grandmother's home, or sometime you may go to your friends and relatives' home, or sometimes you may like to visit any new places. By which means of transport do you like to go? Yes, each one have different opinion. Someone like to go by bike and some of them like to go by car and even someone like to go by aeroplane. But we all like traveling because traveling gives us pleasure. So today let's see the new lesson. Let us travel. We travel from one place to another place for various reasons. That is, we travel to school, we travel to office, to meet our friends and relatives, and sometimes to new places. And there are different means of transports. They are buses, cars, scooters, vans, trains, and aeroplanes, and we use them to travel and also to carry goods from one place to another place. The transport we use depends upon the distance we have to travel and the money we can spend. That is, if it is a nearby place, then we can use bicycle or scooter. And if it is far away, then we can use bus or train. And if we have more money, then we can travel by ships or aeroplanes. So it depends upon each person. The story of transport. Many years ago, that is in olden days, there were no transports. So what the people will do? So to travel from one place to another place, they will go by walk. And to travel by water, they made rafts by tying logs of woods together. So you can see the picture of rafts here. Then later what they have done is they began to use animals to travel and also to carry goods. Then what people did is they invented wheel, and using the wheel they have invented cars, and these cars were drawn by horses, ponies, ox, and also by camels. And much later they have invented cycle, scooter, car, and train, and they were followed by aeroplanes, helicopters, and rockets. And there are different kinds of transport. Now let us see what are the three different kinds of transport. There are three kinds of transport. They are water transport, air transport, and land transport. Today let us see water transport, and this water transport is the earliest means of transport. Boats, yachts, ships, and submarines are some means of water transport. Boats are used to carry passengers across rivers and lakes. And yachts are used as a sailing boats, and it gives pleasure, so we can have a pleasure trips by traveling in yacht, and it is also helpful and useful for racing. And ships carry thousands of passengers across big seas and oceans, and these ships are called as passenger liners. If the ships carry goods, then it is called as cargo ships. And the ships that travel under the water are called submarines. The place where goods are loaded and unloaded and passengers board and unboard a ship is called port. So children, individually we are one drop, but together we are an ocean. That is, you should be friendly with your neighbors and friends so that you can be strong as an ocean. Thank you, children.